Guess what I made? Mullein popsicles. There. So I took mullein, made a very strong tea. I did mine in my infusion machine, but you could do it on the stove, no problem. Make a really strong tea with the mullein leaf. There's the mullein leaf. And then I used ginger and lemon and honey. And I mixed them all together. And I made these beautiful popsicles. These taste delicious. And they are loaded medicinal popsicles. So if you had a sore throat or congestion or coughing, this is your to-go-to popsicle. So you would just have them in the freezer, sorry, and you would pop one out when you're feeling that your lungs are all full and your chest is full of congestion. This is a great popsicle to use. So it has mullein leaf, ginger roots, lemons, and honey. So I made my tea real strong with mullein. I took lemon juice and ginger, made a very strong tea. And then after that was done, I added my honey to it. I poured them into my popsicle holders. And then this is what I got. A beautiful mullein medicinal popsicle. Make these, guys. Have them ready in your freezer. So when winter comes, or when a cold comes, or flu, or congestion, all that, you'll have them. You just pop one out. They're great for kids with congestion and sore throats. I mean, they'll eat them right up. They're delicious. So that's mullein medicinal popsicles. I'm going to eat this one right now. Yum.